This 2023 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire 27 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used CrossRoads is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, awning, refrigerator, LP detector, leveling jacks, TV, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 CrossRoads Cruiser Aire 27 RBS is 6,204 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.